Hello and welcome to another update video on Bitcoin. Just a quick intraday update. I don't want to talk about the overall context. I did that in the previous video today extensively. In this video, I just want to really give you a quick update here intraday wise. I mean, this chart, could we have formed a more substantial low? Absolutely. But for now, it's only playing out this way for. Remember that I explained to you on Friday that my assumption is that we might see a bounce, the wave 4, for example, and that it should take a couple of days or so, because the wave 2 also took a couple of days, right? Like started here on the 28th, we had the 29th, and kind of into the 30th. Actually, the 30th was already, or it started already, that move down started already on the 29th. On some other crypto charts, that wave 2 lasted a couple of days. So yeah, so 1 to 2 days. Sometimes the wave 4 is a little larger. We had a first rally, a pullback. I shared with you in the previous video today this micro support zone that we could watch, and it bottomed exactly there at the 61.8 FIB level. But overall, these are still very small movements. We have not even broken above the initial micro resistance zone. No, rather, we are only just now testing the 38.2 retracement level at $105,290, which is the, let's call it normally an ideal target for a fourth wave, but no sign of a top yet. And it could still grind a little higher. I think if this indeed is a wave 4, it might still stretch to the 50% retracement level there, but any break above 105,960 suggests a larger bounce is unfolding. Then I would already focus on the B wave. To show you how that would look like, I mean, it would likely be something like that. A wave of the B wave, then we get a B wave pullback and a C wave, yeah? So this would be how the larger bounce could unfold. These are therefore the two resistance areas we're tracking. And, you know, people ask me, do we have a 1-2 setup already? I mean, no, but I mean, for those who wanted to use it, I mean, there was a micro support area, right? But really, to confirm that we have really bottomed in a more meaningful low, I would need to see all 5 waves. Yeah, 5 waves that are high enough to be, you know, not like an A wave of a B wave or something. So I need 5 waves up, 3 waves down for a real, let's call it classic Elliott Wave setup. I don't have that at this point, okay? We have a few green candles. Unfortunately, I cannot confirm yet an upside breakout. You have some resistance levels there to watch, but really, for a real proper setup, a high quality setup, I would need to see 5 waves up and 3 waves down. We're far away from that for now. This here was maybe a micro 5 wave move up, which is the main reason why I showed you that micro support area there. But again, it's too small, because if we don't get 5 waves up above resistance, it's kind of useless, because this could just be the A wave of the fourth wave, the B wave, now a C wave, and then, I mean, maybe there's even going to be a wick above, you know, and then we break down. So please be aware, it really needs that 5 wave move up for a classic Elliott Wave setup, followed by a 3 wave corrective pullback. The levels haven't really changed. I think we just need to be mindful that as we're heading towards the weekly candle close, the let's say weekend volatility is coming in, typically late on Sunday. That's what's happening, and so yeah, there could be a bit of volatility. That's normal, and all we need is a break above resistance for a first signal that the bulls are serious. Because at the moment, I mean, we have to give the market the room, the space. I don't think any altcoin has yet broken above initial resistance, so we remain on the watch for a reversal, but it would still look best actually with that one more low. At least at the moment it would. If that move goes too high, it would look better as if it's bottom. I mean, it's just that proportions, yeah, still suggest that one more low would actually look best. So I remain focused on that until the market gives me a reason to believe we've bottomed already. So I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure to follow us on Instagram and X for additional updates. And don't forget today, 5 p.m. UTC, we've got our member live stream running with around 40 coins that are typically update and analyze. You guys have the chance to create the content, yeah, or let's say have a say in which charts are analyzed. I mean, MCO is always community driven, so especially in the membership, especially in the live streams, you can let us know what you want to see, and you basically get the analysis in the live stream very often. I mean, capacity is limited, but we, as I said, typically analyze around 40 charts. That's quite a lot. So yeah, check it out, and I wish you a great Sunday. And if we don't see each other in the live stream, then have a great start to the week. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.